Today I'm going to be splitting these two Roma tomato seedlings, and they were planted in the same pod. You can see the root system is pretty strong and established, and they need to be split into their own containers so that they can grow bigger and ultimately be planted outside. So I have here 3 containers, and one is just your standard container from a garden center. Another one is just a repurposed plastic container from the grocery store, and the third one is a container from a wine shipment that a friend gave me. This is just recycled material that was used to keep wine bottles in place. And all of them are filled with organic potting soil that I've filled up in them loosely. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one today. Let's move these out of the way so we can split this seedling and repot it here in this container. So first, here we have our seedling. You can see the root system, and I'm going to go ahead and actually pinch off these initial leaves right here. You don't need these. These are ones that come up when it first sprouts. I actually already had pinched off the other leaves earlier when it was under the grow lamp, but those aren't really needed to grow. So all you have to do is take the seedling, apply a little pressure on both sides, wiggle a little bit, and pull apart. Leaves are kind of stuck. There you go. And you'll see it kind of came apart, and there's a few roots that ripped off. That's totally fine. They'll reroot once you put it in the new container. So go ahead and make a small hole here. Place that in the center. And if you just press down with your fingers all around the seedling to keep it in place, not too hard, but enough that it stands up straight on its own. Now this seedling is a Roma tomato seedling. They're great for paste, tomato paste, to either freeze or use for pasta sauce. And these seedlings actually can be found on my website, so that link is in the description of this video. Put just a little bit more around here. So yeah, you can get those seeds from my website if you'd like to grow them. And here you are. Looks like this seedling is repotted. He'll stay under the grow lamp a little bit longer, maybe a couple more weeks until he's ready and a little bit stronger to be planted outside. And you can just rip the sides of this and pop them into the ground. So check out my Instagram page for more tips and tricks, and follow my YouTube channel. Both of those are Beat of a Different Plum.